guys, Rashonda here of TravelWithTheRussells.com. I have the opportunity to review the Shark Rocket Complete with Duo Clean Technology vacuum. This vacuum claims to be the most technological, advanced, ultralight upright, providing remarkable floor to ceiling cleaning and obliterates embedded dirt and stuck on dust while providing improved flexibility. With triple particle cleaning designed for an incredible clean, the new dual brush roll system automatically transitions from floors to carpets. With two brush rolls working together, the Shark Rocket Complete with Duo Clean Technology picks up large particles, small particles, and stuck-on particles on all types of floors and carpets. And so we're going to put this to the test right here, right now with you guys, and pick up these crumbs from a cracker that my son smashed right here on the floor. So let's go ahead and put this to work. Alright guys, this vacuum is absolutely amazing. My husband is telling me to pick up all of the crumbs, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, that's my review. Actually, you can read more about my review of the Shark Rocket vacuum on our blog, TravelWithTheRussells.com. And thank you so much for watching.